Okay, so there is no way that we can save this project, but there is a way to share the PDF of the code. So when I click on the share option, all I get is the PDF file that is already automatically downloaded. And then I can also save this project as just like in Scratch, how we save the SB3 file, I can save it to my device. So I have saved this file. Now let me show you what I have tried to do. So on the website, there are some code challenges that are given because they hold competitions as well. There are no answers. So answers the user has to figure out on their own. So I've tried to attempt this one. So there is a ready-made available background, and there are various backgrounds available, and for each background there is one task that is given. So for this background, what the task is that the robot has to go and pick up this is the level 1 task that I have tried. Pick up one disk of each color and put it in their respective rectangles. The level 2 is basically pick up all the disks. So I've tried level 1, and that itself is quite a lengthy code. So here is the level 1 answer. I have used the function block, just like in Scratch how we use functions by using my block section. So I've created functions to reduce the length of the code. Okay, so each function for picking up each color disk as well as dropping off the same color disk again. So I'm going to simulate this by clicking on start. Okay, so there goes my robot. It is using electromagnetic field, basically just the magnetic, you know, uh, magnetic block that is there, which says energize. So basically that is to pick up uh, and then or drop, and then also it has a sensor which senses the color. So I've used that sensor in my blocks, in my code blocks. So it is going to go to pick up the blue color, drop it in the blue rectangle. Then it is going to go for the green disk. It is going to drop it off in the green rectangle. Then it's going to reset its position back to the original where it started. Then it's going to get the red colored disk. I can also use various camera angles, so you can have a robot's perspective as well. So it kind of gives you a feeling of a 3D game. Okay, but it is quite similar to what we do in Scratch, just that the tasks are for robots. And this is the code. This is what I was talking about. Energize magnet to boost. Boost is basically pick up, and this is to drop. And then there is this down eye, which is nothing but the sensor that is associated at the bottom of the robot, and it can be used to detect different colors. Okay. So this is the level 1 task.